Now the next question is solve the following. In that, what is the question? Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. That means you have to multiply the given question and you have to express it in mixed fraction. So there are two questions, 5 into 6 3 by 4 and another is 3 into 3 2 by 5 into 8. Now take the first one, 5 into 6 3 by 4. First you have to convert this mixed fraction into a proper fraction. Now 5 into, it's an improper fraction. 5 into 6 4s are 24 plus 3 is equal to 27 divided by 4. That is equal to, you have to multiply 27 into 5. That will becomes 135 and divided by 4. Now you have to convert this into a mixed fraction. Now when 135 is divided by 4, the 4 3s are 12, 1 remains. Now 5 comes down, 4 3s are 12, 3 remains. Now what we have to write first? We have to write the quotient first. 33 is the quotient and divide and next is divisor. Divisor should come in the denominator and the remainder should come in the numerator. So answer is 33 3 by 4. The next question is number 2, 3 2 by 5 into 8. Now when you convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction, that is a fraction, then it will become 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is equal to 17 divided by 5 into 8, right as it is. Now when you multiply 17 into 8, it will become 136 divided by 4. Now we have to express in mixed fraction. Now 136 when divided by 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 remains, 6 comes down, 5 7s are 35, 1 remains. Now for when you are writing the mixed fraction, first you have to write the quotient 27 and the divisor 5 and the remainder here in the numerator, 27 1 by 5. The next question. Question number B, multiply. There are two decimal numbers are given. 1.07 into 0.02 and the second one is 168.07 into 10. Now you write as it is 1.07 into 0.02. Now when you want to multiply, you just convert this decimal into fraction. When you convert decimal into fraction, you have to now for example for this one 1.07 when it becomes 107, then you have to divide by 100 because there are 2 digits after the decimal point. Now let's say for decimal point 1 and after that there are 2 digits, it's 2 zeros, so 107 divided by 100 into 0.02. now 2 divided by, there are 2 digits after decimal point, so it's 2 zeros after 1 followed by 1. So now multiply 107 into 2. 107 into 2 is equal to 214 divided by 100 into 100. 100 into 100, it will become 10,000. That is 1 followed by 2 zeros and 2 zeros, 1 followed by 4 zeros. Now again you convert this into a decimal number. So when you convert this into decimal number, after 4 digits you have to put decimal point. Now we have only 3 digits. Now after that you have to put 1 0 and after that a decimal point. Now it will become 0.0214. Now the next question, 168.07 into 10. 168.07 into 10. Now we convert this into a fraction. That is 2 after decimal points there are 2 digits, so there are 2 zeros after 1. That is 100. 16807 divided by 100 into 10. Now 1010 cancels. Now it will become 16807 divided by 10. Now when you convert this the same into a decimal number, you have to put decimal point after 1 digit from the right side. So 1680.7. This is the answer. Now let's see the next question. Number C. Question number C. Divide. There are two questions, 3.25 divided by 0.5 and 36 divided by 0.2. So now write down the first question, 3.25 divided by 0.5. Now you convert this into a fraction. Now 325 divided by 100, because there are two digits after decimal point. 100 divided by one digit after decimal point, that is 10, 5. Here comes 5 divided by 10. Now when you convert this division into multiplication, the fraction will become reciprocal. That is, when there is 5 by 10, then it will become 10 by 5. That is 325 divided by 100 into 10 by 5. Now you cancel the divide this 325 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 30, and 25 remains, 5 5 is 25. Now 1 0 cancels 1 0. Now the 65 divided by 10 remains. So now when you convert this to decimal, it will become 6.5. The second question is 36 divided by 2. Now 36, when 36 divided by 0.2, when 36 divided by 0.2 becomes fraction, it will become 2 by 10. That is 36, when you multiply this, then it will become reciprocal. 36 into 2 by 10 becomes 10 by 2. So 2 divides 36 by 18 times. So 18 into 10 is equal to 180. There is no chance of any decimal place. It's a whole integer, whole number. Now coming to next question, 13th main question. In that, A, in the adjoining figure, name the following pair of angles. So what is the question? Number 1, obtuse vertically opposite angles. Now, obtuse angles, what is the obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means the degree which contains more than 90 degrees. So the more than 90 degree angle is called obtuse angle. Here obtuse vertically opposite angles. When you check here, you will find AOT and BOC are these two are vertically opposite angles with obtuse angle. That is, they have got more than 90 degrees. So answer is angle AOD and angle BOC. Now second question, adjacent complementary angles. Adjacent complementary angles means, complementary angle means it's 90 degrees. So in the 90 degrees you have to find adjacent angles, but when you add both angles, it should become 90 degrees. So here the angles EOA and AOB are both adjacent complementary angles. So the answer is angle EOA and AOB. Now the next question, find the value of x in the following figure. Now here there are two parallel lines and a transverse line. This angle is given, we have to find the angle of x. As you know, these two angles will become the addition of these two angles becomes 180 degrees. So you just make an equation, 110 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 minus 110. So x is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. So 70 is the angle of this x. 70 is the answer. The next question, in the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. If ABC is equal to 100 degrees, then find angle DGC and angle DEF. So you see this picture, angle ABC and angle DEF. So these two arms, that is DE and AB both are parallel. So while finding, you have to take the data. The given AB is parallel to DG. AB is parallel to DG, and BC is transversal. And B and C are transversal line. Also, angle ABC is equal to 100. So, when angle ABC is 100, then the angle DGC should also be same. Angle DGC. So, angle ABC is equal to angle DGC. So, when angle ABC is 100 degrees, then angle DGC is also 100 degrees. Number second question is angle DEF. We have to find the angle DEF. Given BC, B and C is parallel to E and F. B and C is parallel to E and F, and DE is transversal here. So, in this case, angle DGC is 100 degrees. Angle DGC is also is equal to 100 degrees. It is given from the first, that is given in the first question, that is first question's answer. So, angle DDC is equal to 100. So, angle DGC is equal to angle DEF. Hence, angle DEF is equal to 100 degrees, because this angle also 100 degrees. So, this angle will also become 100 degrees.